Okay, we'll get ready to leave, and we're gonna have to leave Nali. And so we're sharing our last meal before I have to leave. Here we go. Yummy, yummy. Is it good, Nali? Is it good, Mama? Mm-hmm. Okay, hold on. Oh, okay, you don't want that, huh? So you want the chicken. Look at you being picky. Okay. Okay, it was nice sharing a meal with you. Okay, Nali, I'm gonna miss you.